Within this video, I shall go over how to draw a figure that is 3 heads tall. The best example that I could give of a figure that's 3 heads tall is Mario and Luigi. Since I can't start drawing the head due to the hat being in the way, I like to start my drawing from the torso. Within a 3 heads figure, the torso, the legs, and the head all take up the same amount of space. To indicate the torso, I like to draw an egg-like shape. To draw the suspenders, all you need to do is divide the torso into 3 equal segments, and on the upper third, there you draw the buttons. In relation to the torso, the arms all the way up to the wrist share the exact same length as the entirety of the torso. For this figure, the hands are roughly half the size of the arms. For this section, we're going to draw the key features that help identify the character. First thing we should do is divide the head into 3 equal segments. Then we should draw a circle that takes up roughly 90% of the middle section. The line on the upper third is the eye line. To get the eye shape, you can descend a third of the way up and a third of the way down to get the full height of the eye. When drawing his ears, they should be the same size as the nose. When drawing the mustache, you want the tips to be at the halfway point of the ears. The bottom of the mustache should curve a bit under the middle section. When drawing the eyebrows, it should be a quarter of the way down from the first section. A tip to drawing the top of the hat is by taking the height from the top of the eyebrows to the bottom of the eyes and extend it above the head level. When drawing Mario's key features, the only thing we need to look at is the size of the nose and the shape of the mustache. Mario's mustache is a bit wider than Luigi's. Like Luigi, Mario's mustache goes up to the halfway point of the ear. When split down the middle, the mustache arcs 3 times all the way up to the peak of the mustache.